Greetings everyone. This is market report from DARESALAAM Stock Exchange on Tuesday, March 21, 2023. DASE recorded a total turnover of 147.30 million Tanzania shillings from 160,167 shares traded in 64 deals and 0.07 billion Tanzania shillings from bond traded in 2 deals. In the normal board, CRDB counter had 56,884 shares traded at weighted average price of 460 Tanzania shillings per share in 27 deals. DCB counter had 80 shares traded at weighted average price of 180 Tanzania shillings per share in 2 deals. DASE counter had 438 shares traded at weighted average price of 1,700 Tanzania shillings per share in 3 deals. MCB counter had 10 shares traded at weighted average price of 290 Tanzania shillings per share in 1 deal. NICO counter had 47,549 shares traded at weighted average price of 400 Tanzania shillings per share in 2 deals. NMB counter had 8,790 shares traded at weighted average price of 3,500 Tanzania shillings per share in 8 deals. Swiss counter had 10 shares traded at weighted average price of 1,280 Tanzania shillings per share in 1 deal. TCCL counter had 39,990 shares traded at weighted average price of 1,260 Tanzania shillings per share in 7 deals. TICL counter had 1,357 shares traded at weighted average price of 145 Tanzania shillings per share in 2 deals. TPCC counter had 4,909 shares traded at weighted average price of 4,040 Tanzania shillings per share in 10 deals. Voda counter had 150 shares traded at weighted average price of 740 Tanzania shillings per share in 1 deal. On the government bonds board, the 15-year bond with a coupon rate of 13.5% and a face value of 0.01 billion Tanzania shillings was traded at 118.5018% in 1 deal, while a 20-year bond with a coupon rate of 15.49% and a face value of 0.05 billion Tanzania shillings was traded at 119.3082% in 1 deal. On the corporate bonds board, NMB sustainable bond of 3 years with a coupon rate of 8.5% and a face value of 10 million Tanzania shillings was traded at 100% in 1 deal. Thanks for listening.